What's up, guys? I know you like these old cold start videos, so I'm going to do a cold start on this 2023 Chevy 4500 dump truck. It hasn't been ran since the whole entire season, so about 4 months. Oh yeah.
This vehicle is in demonstration mode.
Hasn't started for 4 months, and they still start up, even the many cold nights we've had now. That's amazing. As a bonus, I'm going to do another cold start. This one is a same thing, 23 Chevy Silverado. This one's a 5500 HD class, or chase cab. Here we go.
This vehicle is in demonstration.
Oh yeah.
Connected by OnStar's high-speed 4G connection.
Definitely can tell it hasn't been ran for a while. Got good oil pressure, so that's good. Battery's charging good, that's good. That's the other one I started over there. Well, that'll do her. Catch you guys on the next one.